Came across a GHF file connected to a Google application and not sure how to access it? These help documentation files contain reference information for Google software products. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and work with these Google application help files. We're tackling this GHF file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. A GHF file is a compiled help file used by older Google applications, most notably Picasa. Users typically encounter this file within an application's installation directory and are looking to understand its purpose. It contains help topics, text, and images for offline viewing directly within the software. The GHF format is a proprietary container, likely a compressed archive holding HTML, CSS, and image assets. This design allowed Google to package a complete self-contained help system that could be rendered by the application's internal browser, providing fast, offline access to support documentation. The specific reading module for GHF files is provided by Google Picasa from Google. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows provides limited document tools, so proper editing requires dedicated applications. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the GHF file and hit Open With. Use Google Picasa if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If the GHF file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in Google application. Launch the parent Google application associated with the GHF file and access help through the F1 key or help menu. The application loads GHF content automatically displaying help topics within the integrated help viewer. This native approach provides full functionality including search and context-sensitive assistance. Next, viewing as compressed archive. Try opening the GHF file with 7-zip or WinRAR, since many help formats use zip compression internally. If extraction succeeds, you can browse the contained HTML files and resources directly in any web browser. This approach provides access to help content without the parent Google application installed. Finally, using online documentation. For most Google applications, current help documentation is available online at support.google.com. Search for your specific application to access updated help content with interactive features. Online documentation often supersedes outdated GHF files, providing more current information and community-contributed troubleshooting guidance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.